Hello everyone. Today this video is to elaborate about the plagiarism. Welcome to my channel. Have a good day. Let us start the presentation. So the contents we are going to discuss today is the definition of plagiarism, forms of plagiarism, significance and means to avoid plagiarism. So basic meaning of plagiarism is stealing someone's work without proper acknowledgement. When you copy someone's work without their knowledge, without their consent, without proper citation, it's called plagiarism. So this is the normal meaning of the plagiarism, but the University of Oxford defines the plagiarism as presenting work or ideas from another source as your own with or without consent of the original author, by incorporating it into your own work without full acknowledgement. It's called plagiarism. There are many ways of the plagiarism, but most common forms of the plagiarism include something like verbatim, cutting pasting from the internet, paraphrasing, collusion, inaccurate citation, failure to acknowledge the assistance, use of material written by some professional agencies other than yours, autoplagiarism are some of the major forms of plagiarism. So let us try to understand one by one. Let us elaborate one by one. The first one is verbatim, which means the word to word plagiarism, word for word plagiarism. So when you incorporate one word by changing another word from the original work, you put your own word which means the same meaning to the original work. So it is also a form of plagiarism. So it is word for word plagiarism, quotation without clear acknowledgement of the original author. Second is paraphrasing. By altering few words or changing the order, it's called paraphrasing. So when you try to change a few words or few lines from the original work and you try to incorporate your it into your own publication, it's called paraphrasing. Third is collusion. When you get an unauthorized collaboration or when you get the data of a collaboration which is unauthorized to you, it's called collusion. Fourth is autoplagiarism. When you republish your own work without proper citation, or when you get the data of your own data when it which is already published somewhere in another publication, when you tried the same data published into another your own publication, it also comes under the plagiarism. You are copying your own work, it's called plagiarism, autoplagiarism. So how it impacts the different fields of academics, research and all. So it's very harmful for the original author. It damages the reputation of the person who commits it and damages to the academic institution or a journal that prints the plagiarized work. And also it mostly damages and destroys the professional reputation of the worker, and also it destroys the reputation of the person who plagiarizes it. So the point of today's presentation is to minimize the plagiarism. So there are many ways or many means to minimize the plagiarism or to reduce it. So let us see some of the few simple methods to reduce the plagiarism. One is apply your own elemental ideas to the original work. So you have to apply your own work. You have to apply your own brain into the original work. You have to improvise the work. You have to enhance the outcome of the work. Then only you will get the credit. So second is you have to improvise the work, enhance the outcome of the work. Third is cite the original author wherever necessary, wherever it demands. Try to cite the original author, which is must. And acknowledge the worker. So you have the literature citation section wherein you have to acknowledge the worker, which is the must. So include the quotations in your publication as must. When you are paraphrasing, compulsorily cite the author. So you get the credit by yourself and also the author gets the citation. So it's a win-win situation. Use a plagiarism checker. There are plenty of the plagiarism checks or checkers available in the internet as tools. I have tried to incorporate some of them into my presentation also. You can check the plagiarism level online. some of them are free also. Like there is Script Plagiarism Checker. It's a free online checking platform. And Dupli Checker. It's also a free plagiarism online checking platform. Third is Turnitin. So most commonly used one. It's also free, and also you can subscribe to the Turnitin and to use it to the file extent. So this is how the interface of the script plagiarism checker looks like. It will, when you upload the manuscript of your own, it will divide it into different, it will search it into different platforms, and finally it gives you the outcome as how much of the work has been copied from different sources. It will give you in the percentage form. The second is dupli checker. So when you copy your own manuscript into the website, it will search for the data in the website and different sources of the websites or internet, and it will give you how much of it's been plagiarized so far. And third is Turnitin. It's also a free online plagiarism checking tool. It depends upon the AI. So the main objective of the Turnitin is to safeguard the academic integrity with an artificial intelligence writing detection solution built for the educators especially. So it is free up to certain extent. Beyond that, to use it full to the full potential, you can subscribe to it. This is Turnitin mostly used it. It is a highly efficient one. So I hope the presentation is adding some value to your work. Thank you all. Please consider subscribing. Thank you.